We are exploring. Today we're going to learn how professionals catch a common snapping turtle, Chelydra Serpentina in Latin. We are here at the Governor Mike Huckabee Delta Rivers Nature Center in Pine Bluff, Arkansas, and somehow this snapping turtle has made its way all the way from the pond up on the ramp towards the entrance of the nature center, and it's about halfway there. At the end of the video, we're gonna see two guys from the nature center trying to catch this turtle. You know, you have to be careful. They have a big mouth, and this is a pretty big example of a snapping turtle, and that surely hurts if they bite you. I'm not sure about the two guys. They were probably pissed because I was filming them in their efforts to catch this snapping turtle, but I had fun watching them. I've heard from folks that it's best to grab them by the tail and carry them away, but what do I know? Eventually the guys can catch it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it.